Welcome to the Make $20 and Under Gift Guide, Electronics Edition. The Minty Boost USB charger, charge an iPhone or anything else. The Noise Kit, plug it in, it makes a bunch of noise. The Mini Puff Kit, build it, put your words in, and spell words in the air. Here's Make. The Solar Theremin. Tradio, the musical pencil you build and make music with.
Give it a try.
The Game of Life Kit, make digital colonies.
Line. Dead.
The SIM card reader kit, see what's really on your SIM and delete old messages. The Open Heart Kit, make a heart shape and blinky hearts. The Boarduino, a great way to get started with Arduino, and it plugs into a breadboard. The Motor Shield Kit, it's a motor party. The 3D Christmas Tree Kit, make a 3D LED Christmas tree. The LED Felt Ornament, lights up and it's felty. The LED menorah for Hanukkah. The LED micro reader board kit makes a great tree ornament.
The very best ornament on this tree.
Get all of this at the Maker Shed, and remember, it was all $20 or less.